Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Priyanka and you are watching Priyanka's Unlimited Teaching. I have brought you another new video. Today I'll show you how to paint two clay pots. In this video we will need two clay pots, acrylic color, brush, wall paint. I brought these two pots from the wholesale market at a very low price. Actually I brought the two pots from decorating the house. There is no painting on the pots, so I thought I would paint them and share them with you. To paint anything clay or plastic, I first coat with wall paint, then use acrylic color. Then watch the full video. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe. Everyone take care of yourselves. I will come back in the next video. Bye bye.
to know what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church.